What's up, guys? So I got a really nice surprise in the mail today. I got my 100,000 subscriber silver play button. I've already opened it and looked at it, but I figured I'd put it back in the package and let you see the packaging and everything that goes along with it. So here is the box that it comes in. Let's open it up. I got a letter from YouTube. And let's remove this foam. And here is the beautiful silver play button. It says presents to Arrow Sniper for passing 100,000 subscribers. But here it is. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.